face is not bright at all. What is the problem?
John, I've been hearing things. I've noticed I'm not the only one you've been dating since we started this relationship, isn't it?
Anita, calm down. I thought you were just coming back from the church. Look at the Bible you're holding.
I'm not coming from church.
What you said, I don't think it's true.
I've been hearing things.
You hear? If it is your pastor that told you that I've been dating, God tell that your pastor that he is a liar.
Really? Yes. John, if truly you know you've not been dating another girl, this is the Bible. Swear with it. Swear with it that it's only me you've been seeing since in this relationship.
Linda, calm down. It has not gotten up to this. If I should swear with this Bible and die, and you couldn't see me again, what will be your gain? Answer me.
It's true.
True of
it's
what?
True now.
True of what?
If you cannot swear, that means it's true.
How can you ask me to swear with Bible? This is called Bible. It's not emo reader. So I cannot be swearing with Bible. What will be your gain if you couldn't see me again in this world?
Men will always be men.
See this girl, so you want to kill me?
Ha ha ha!